iDigiview presents previewing digital media on our PC and moving media into our digital signage application. In this tutorial, we will create a folder in our signage application to store new food images and name it Steaks. Then we will preview 3 food images on our PC by displaying them in our sample signage on the screen. And finally, we will move previewed food images into our new Steaks media folder. So let's get started. We'll first create a folder by selecting My Media in the menu tree. We select the My Images folder, right-click, Add, and when the property window appears, we'll replace the title with Steaks and save. You see that we have created a new folder called Steaks. You can create as many folders as you wish and as many levels as you wish. Now we'll preview Steakhouse food media on our PC by selecting My PC, My Computer, My local C disk, and here's a Steakhouse restaurant folder. We locate the food items folder, and we have a whole list of content that we can display, various images. We have a steak and lobster, a steak with mushroom sauce, a waiter with steak. We'll pick these top 3. The first item, a steak and lobster, I'd like to play in the main zone. So I select the main zone. You see a green ridge appears around the edge, indicating it's been selected. So I right-click and play, and a steak and lobster appears in the main zone. I'd like a waiter with steak to appear in the small zone. So I select the small zone, I right-click and play, and a waiter with steak appears in the small zone and looks quite good. It also looks good in full screen. So we will now remove the images by selecting the image in the zone and selecting the Stop button in the Multimedia toolbar at the bottom. And we'll select the main zone, and we select the Stop button, and they're gone. If I would like to create a full screen fairly quickly, I double-click the Stop button, and it clears out the signage. So we'll play a steak with mushroom sauce in full screen. So we right-click and play, and it's in full screen. The previewing process we just used can also be used within the digital signage application. Let's copy the images that we've previewed and put them into our signage or steak folder. So we select the first image, hold the Shift key down, select the last image, right-click, copy. We'll select the Home button at the top to collapse the folders. And we select the My Media folder, My Images. We'll right-click on the Steaks folder, the new Steaks folder, and paste. And if you look at the information window just below the signage, you'll see that it shows that the media is moving from your PC into your signage application. And it says Done when it's finished. And if you look at our folder of steaks, it contains the 3 items that we were moving into that folder. Thank you very much for taking time to view this tutorial.